Whoa! Hope everybody's doing good today. I kind of wanted to go over a few things about bug out bags and show you the evolution of what I went through with my bug out bag. We talk about that coming right up. Okay, this is not going to be, this is a bag you should get, this type of thing. Because each person has to have their own ideas of what their bug out bag should be. A preference depending on what you plan on carrying, how much you can carry. There is a few things though. You want to make sure you get a bag that is comfortable and suits your needs, and we'll go into kind of that in a little bit, but this is definitely not about get this type of bag because it's best, or do this kind of bag, or what have you. But I thought I heard my cats. I wanted to show you what I went through in the evolution of coming up with my bug out bag I got now. Okay, first I started out with this. This is kind of like a school backpack. Excuse all the hair on it. One of my cats decided to like this for a bed. But anyway, this is what I started out with. Had a water bottle bag on each side and a couple of compartments. But definitely not comfortable. It's like a school backpack with just shoulder straps, no waistband or sternum strap or anything. And this would be alright if you're only going to carry a couple of things, maybe like a day bag or something, but not for bug out. Or I guess it could be a get home bag if you didn't live too far from home and that's all you're going to use it for. But anyway, then I went to this. I don't even know if I can get it all in the camera here. This is an alright bag. This one did have shoulder straps and a fairly good waistband on it. Still no sternum strap, and I don't like the idea of having this one big compartment. It does have a small compartment on this side and one on this side. Now these other zippers sections that you see, well, right there, that's not a pocket, that just goes into the main compartment. But I wanted something that I can organize better in. I wanted something where I could have one pocket for fire making equipment, one pocket for water purification, and keep all those things in separate pockets so I know where the items are when I need them. Now, before I get to my bug out bag that I've chosen, I wanted to show you something else. I picked this up. This is a little shoulder bag, and the main reason I got this is because this is, by the way, this is my EDC bag, and the main reason I got this was my camera equipment. Not only do I make YouTube videos, but I like just taking wildlife pictures of flowers, things interesting, helicopters flying low, whatever. But I got this for carrying some of my camera equipment in. But it also works good as a get home bag for me, because I'm usually only 3 to 4 miles from home. So very minimal equipment in this except for my camera and well, one of my cameras usually. But anyway, this is a very nice little shoulder bag. Got this off of Amazon. It does have some features. You could take this strap here and you can make it into just a carry bag, like hang the strap from there. It does have a strap back here where you could put it on a belt, but that would be a little heavy and a little big for putting on a belt, I would think. Anyway, I wanted to show you that. it is a nice little pack, and I enjoy having it. Okay, this is my bag that I went with here. I got this off of Amazon also. And now this bag here has these two side pouches attached to it. This comes off and it could be turned into a shoulder bag or a large fanny pack or whatever you want to call it. And I like having that. That way if I set up at a base camp and I want to take just a walk or go and explore something or check something out, and I want to take a few things with me, I can detach this and just take this with me. There's a strap in the back of it for a waist strap and stuff. So that comes off. Oh, and I got one bag here. Like I said, I wanted things to be compartmentalized. So I got my first aid kit here. I got another pouch over here for fire making. I know it looks big, but I plan on carrying tinder and some kindling and stuff in here, along with magnesium block. And well, what I'm going to do is after this video, I'll make videos to come in the future where I'll take these different pouches off and show you what I've got that I carry with it. Then you can see up here I got radio pouch. Has one of my dual band radios in it. It's got the shoulder straps with a sternum strap, and the shoulder straps have different places where you can attach MOLLE equipment to it. You can see I got microphone there, that way I can keep the radio on the back here and still be able to transmit and receive from the speaker mic. It does have a waist strap, but it does leave some desire. It's not a really good one, but it'll do for now. Another side pouch, and then of course it's got, I'm not going to go through the bag, but it's got one big pouch here that can hold quite a bit. I've got a blanket in there just to fluff this out for right now because I don't have all my equipment in here yet. And then it's got even bigger pouch that covers the rest of the pack. Like I said, we'll go over the pack at a later date and show you how I've got it organized and stuff. I just mainly wanted to show you the progression of the packs that I've gone through and what I've settled with for now. Like I said, each person has to decide what is right for them depending on how much you plan on carrying and things like that. Now this bag here, when I get done with it, it'll probably be way over 50 pounds. I don't plan on carrying that. If I bug out, I'm taking my trike with me, and I'll have this bag, plus I've got a Rubbermaid tote that goes in the trailer that I'll have food and different supplies in, along with the basket on the back of my bike. But if something should happen when I'm bugging out where I have to leave my bike, the trailer I'll disconnect from the bike, because I also have a small toolkit that I always carry in my bike with me, with tools to repair the bike or do minor repairs and stuff like that. But if something's to happen, I can always disconnect that trailer and just use it like a wagon. So I don't really plan on carrying this pack. If it comes down to where I have to, I will ditch some of the equipment that I've got in there and just take what I can carry and what I really need. So anyway, I just wanted to show you what I did in the progression of going through from one pack to the other, figuring out what was right for me and what I wanted. I hope this might give you some ideas, and like I said, there will be videos to come in the future where I go through my pack and show you what I've got in my first aid kit, in my fire starting kit, in my water purification kit and things like that. And oh, and I have another pouch that's not here right now because I took half the tools out of it. I've got another pouch that goes on here with some small tools and stuff. Anyway, I hope you got something out of this. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit that little bell while you're at it so you'll get notifications next time we upload a video. Until next time, keep preparing. Well, I took the lavalier microphone off. Hopefully you can still hear me good enough with the microphone on the camcorder. I had a couple of people ask me for more details about the motor I put on the bike, and I wanted to let you know that I will be finishing that video. I've got it started, but I'll be finishing it once the weather warms up enough for me to get outside and do it. So if you're waiting for that video, I got it half done, but I can't do the rest of it until it warms up because it's just too damn cold outside for me. Anyway, thank you for watching. Keep preparing.